Hello, my dear friend. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel Creativity by CAD. I am Ravindra Gupta. In today's video, I am going to tell you about how to calculate area and boundary creation. So let's start with any object. So I am going to draw an object through line. So I am going to draw a line. For line, I am going to type L and then uh, going to take any point on the drawing area. So I am going to select this one. So I am choosing 5, then 4, then 4 again, then 3, and then close. So you can see this area, and I'm going to type for area. I'm going to type area. So select one point, another point, and next one, and next one again, and this one, and then it close. You need to enter, keep enter. So you can see here area here 27 mm square and perimeter 21 mm. So area you can see area 27 mm square and length 21 mm. So second, another way that we can calculate through boundary also. So for boundary, you just need to type BO and select point, and inside area, inside object, you just click and enter. Then you see this all the points has been joined together. So this line converted from a single simple line to polyline. Once it makes polyline, then it will automatically converted into boundary. So now next time when you type area, then you choose object. So once you select this point, then you can see here again, you can see here 27 mm square and perimeter 21 meter length, you can see. So another form also, you can check whether it is area is exactly whatever we have calculate. So you can just select this and type PR for property. So here you can see everything. Here you can see here area, you can see this is, so this is 21 mm square and length is 21 mm. So this is how we can calculate area and boundary also. Another thing, you can calculate also boundary if there are various objects combined together, like I am going to draw a rectangle and then a circle here, and again here another circle, and one more another circle here. Now if you want to calculate this area, then you just type simple BO for boundary and then pick here point. So you can see all these points has been selected and then enter. Now once you click, you can see this is complete area, and you can calculate here through by property command, as well as here you can see 27 mm square, as well as length is, we can see perimeter is 24. So this is how we can calculate perimeter, area and how we can create area and boundary creation, how we can create boundary. So as well as you can see here, if you want to calculate this area rest of, then you also type BO and select the area boundary you want to calculate area. So here you can see, enter. Now once you select this, you can calculate also area for this space, this area, as well as similarly if you want to click here BO and just pick here inside point, and then you can see it's a very easiest method, then you can calculate area. So if I am going to type PR, so you can see here area 10 mm square and length is 15 mm. So another way that you can calculate also area, you can type AREA area, and you can go choose object and select the object, and then you can see here area is 10 and perimeter is 15. Same thing you have to do for all the objects. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel till the end. So please do like, share and write your comment in comment box. Thank you.